friends, I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I am Christina, a vegan girl.
How do you avoid falling back into your old bad habits? I have a solution for you. Stock up on vegan snacks. Having quick, easy access to yummy vegan snacks is really important because it will keep you on track, especially when you're out and about with the kids and you get busy and you're hungry and you're tired, and when you start having these cravings for, let's say, a fast food burger or a donut, it is really, really important that you have these healthy snacks on hand and ready to eat those instead. Hey Christina,
Yes?
what are some of your favorite vegan snacks?
Vegan cheese crackers.
Oh yeah, vegan cheese crackers. They're so yummy. They're my favorite too.
Yeah, so good.
Go macro bars are great. Vegan cheese crackers or chips. Dried fruits. Nuts and seeds. Cut up an apple or some other favorite fruit. These are all great snacks that you can just put into a small container or into a baggie and just throw them in your purse and just have them ready to go when you get hungry. This will keep you from going through the drive-thru and keep you from backsliding to your old bad habits. So if you have any questions or comments or any tips of your own to share, drop a comment below. And be sure to like this video so we can spread this message to as many people as possible. Do you have anything to say, Christina?
Huh? No.
No? Nothing else to say?
No.
Lots and lots of tips we gave you today. Okay, why don't we say goodbye until the next video.
Bye!
See you next time.